Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a super delicious cheesy chicken egg omelette, soft, flavorful and packed with protein. It's the perfect breakfast or brunch idea that your whole family will love. Add 1 teaspoon butter and 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 cup chicken pieces, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon salt. Cook on medium heat. Use less oil or air fry the chicken for a lighter version. Cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes until the water dries out completely. This dish is rich in protein and healthy fats, great for kids and fitness lovers alike. Cool the chicken and keep aside. In a bowl, add 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 1 chopped tomato, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder and half teaspoon red chili flakes. Mix well. Try adding capsicum or spinach for extra flavor and nutrition. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. And 2 tablespoon breadcrumbs for the fluffy texture. Don't skip the breadcrumbs. They hold the omelette together. Now heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Pour the egg mixture. Use low heat for soft and fluffy texture. And top with cooked chicken. Always cool the chicken before adding to eggs and mozzarella cheese. Omelettes are one of the world's oldest breakfast dishes. Chicken and eggs together create a protein powerhouse. Adding cheese gives that creamy cafe-style touch. You can even roll this omelette in bread for a quick wrap. Cook on low heat for 5 minutes until the cheese melts and the omelette is perfectly set. Your cheesy chicken egg omelette is ready. Cheesy, spicy and absolutely delicious. So try this cheesy chicken egg omelette for a hearty protein-packed meal that's both healthy and delicious. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more easy and tasty ideas. How do you like your omelette? Cheesy or spicy? Tell us in the comments below and tag someone who would love this recipe.